I thought that I'd take the Matrice 4 out to test it on a small mapping mission because I wanted to see what the camera was like with a 0.5 second shutter speed, and I think you'd be quite impressed.
Arrived at start point. Starting task.
This is the actual speed of the camera and the gimbal operation during a mapping mission. As you'll see, it is really fast. I've not sped up the video at all. And because all the image pixels are geolocated with an X, Y and Z basically grid reference, it can take pictures upside down and at different angles. Because each pixel has its own geolocation reference, when you put the imagery into mapping software, that's where all the points start to tie together and you'll get yourself your orthomosaic or 3D model being produced. If you switch to the map view, what you'll see is where the drone is, but also the field of view of the camera as it is taking imagery. The drone is now just on one of its last runs to complete the collection of 378 images that will be used to make a 3D model of the housing estate. So after a few hours of processing, what we have now is a beautifully produced dense cloud, and we'll work everything else from there. And here is the final model rendered to a medium resolution so that it didn't take too much time. I think the quality is really good. I really, really do like it a lot.